It's a 2015 Cadillac CTS sedan. With inspirational beauty, intelligence, and purpose, this CTS makes a statement in every element of its design. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, sports suspension, voice activation, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com observed, handling was hard to a fault with quick, precise steering and a flat, composed attitude through quick transitions. Cadillac, second to none. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.